If you're a real estate investor, watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different DSCR lenders that will allow you to scale your real estate business even though you have a lower than average FICO score. If you are a new real estate investor, DSCR loans allow you to scale your real estate business without using tax returns, bank statements, W-2s, 1099s, no income verification whatsoever, no job employment verification whatsoever. You could scale your real estate business without the use of your financial documents. So if you have a FICO score in the low 600s or even potentially the high 500s, one of these lenders will allow you to originate a loan even though you have a credit score in the 500s. So definitely stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. What's going on YouTube? My name is Art Smith, and on this channel, I focus on helping borrowers understand their financial options so that they can avoid predatory lending practices from institutions and or individuals. So if you're looking for straight to the point, no BS financial information, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like I'm doing my job by delivering you, the borrower, good, valuable information, do me a favor and smash that like button so that YouTube knows that this is really good content and it can be shared and distributed to more people just like us. Now let's jump right into those 5 DSCR lenders. So number 1 on the list is going to be Easy Street Capital. So Easy Street Capital allows you to originate a DSCR loan with a minimum FICO score of 620. Minimum down payment on purchases is going to be 20%. Minimum loan amount is going to be $75,000. Maximum loan amount goes all the way up to $3 million. Now the term options for this lender is going to be 30-year fix. They have a starting interest rate at 7% at the time of me shooting this video, and their max loan to value ratio on rate and term is going to be 80%. Max loan to value ratio on cash out refinances is going to be 75%. Property types allowed are going to be residential single family residences, anywhere from 1 to 4 units, with a minimum debt service ratio of 75% of the overall projected or actual rental income. You could use this lender for short-term rentals, mid-term rentals, and long-term rentals. And they also have a minimum reserve requirement of 3 months of your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, as long as your loan amount is going to be under $1 million. Now they do lend nationwide with the exclusion of Nevada, North Dakota, and South Dakota. All information about this lender is going to be in the description box below. Second on the list is going to be American Heritage Lending with a minimum FICO score of 620. Minimum down payment on purchases goes all the way down to 15%, with a minimum loan amount of $75,000 and a maximum loan amount of $2 million on real estate. Term options are going to be 30-year fixed. They also have adjustable rate options at 5 years and 7 years. And max loan to value ratio on cash out refinances is going to be 75%. Property types allowed are going to be single family residences, anywhere from 1 to 4 units. Condos, townhouses, and condotels are also going to be allowed with American Heritage Lending. They are also nationwide with the exclusion of Nevada, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Now, third on the list is going to be ARCA Lending with a minimum FICO score of 575 points. Minimum down payment on purchases is going to be 20%. Minimum loan amount is going to be $100,000. However, they go all the way up to $3 million on real estate. Term options are going to be 30-year and 40-year fixed rate mortgages, and they also have adjustable rate mortgages available for all borrowers. Now, the max loan to value ratio for rate and term refinances is also going to be 80%, with a max cash out loan to value ratio of 75%. Property types allowed with ARCA Lending are going to be single family residences, 1 to 4 units, condos, and townhouses. Minimum debt service coverage ratio is going to be 80% of the overall projected or actual rental income, and they are only allowing long-term rentals at the time of me shooting this video. Minimum reserves are going to be 3 to 6 months, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Now they are licensed and originate in the states of Arizona, California, Idaho, Michigan, Minnesota, North Carolina, New Jersey, Nevada, Oregon, Tennessee, Utah, and Virginia. Now, fourth on the list is going to be A&D Mortgage with a minimum FICO score of 620. Minimum down payment on purchases is going to be 20%. Minimum loan amount is going to be $100,000. However, they go all the way up to $3.5 million on real estate. They have 30 and 40 fixed rate mortgage options, and also 5 and 7 adjustable rate mortgage options. Starting rates are going to be 5.525% at the time of me shooting this video, and that's going to be for a 30-year fix with 3 points paid at closing as far as your discount points. Max loan to value on rate and term refinances is going to be 80%, and max loan to value on cash out refinances is going to be 75%. They are currently lending on single family residences between 1 and 4 unit, warrantable and non-warrantable condos, and condotels are allowed with A&D mortgage. Now, there is no minimum debt service coverage ratio, which is going to be a bonus for A&D mortgage. However, they only allow long-term rentals. Minimum reserves is going to be 3 months, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and they are also nationwide with the exclusion of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Hawaii. Now, last on the list is going to be Investor Loan Source with a minimum FICO score of 600. Minimum down payment on purchases is going to be 30%, with a minimum loan amount going all the way down to $50,000 with a maximum loan amount of $1 million. Term options are going to be 30-year fixed rate mortgages with adjustable rate mortgage options available as well too. Starting interest rates are going to be at 9.99% at the time of me shooting this video, and their rate and term loan to value ratio is going to be 70%. Cash out loan to value maximum is going to be 60%, and property types allowed with Investor Loan Source is going to be 1 to 4 unit single family residences. Long-term rentals are only going to be allowed, however they do have short-term options for fix and flippers. Minimum reserves are going to be 3 to 6 months depending on your loan scenario, and that's going to be inclusive of your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Now, they are also nationwide, lending in Idaho, Utah, Colorado, Kansas City, Oklahoma, Texas, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Wisconsin, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Minnesota, Louisiana, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. So if you're a new real estate investor or even a seasoned real estate investor, check out these 5 different lenders that allow you to go as low as 575 as far as a FICO score. If you want to see more videos just like this, as far as me outlining DSCR lenders and DSCR loans, do me a favor and comment below. And if you're enjoying this straight to the point, no BS financial information, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. You are truly appreciated, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.